Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix notifications it's not showing on iPhone. So first of all, what you need to do here, you need to swipe from up to down and then open this window here and then make sure this option is not selected here because it will silence all your notifications here. So deselect do not disturb and look if the problem persists after that. If the problem persists, then go to settings. On settings, you need to scroll down until you see notifications here. Select a stack and then look for show previews and then select always. And then look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, for example, on specific app, let's say one app do not showing the notifications, then you need to scroll down, go to apps, look for that specific app, and then look for notifications. If it's off, allow notifications here, and also you can change some settings here and it should fix your problem. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.